Please join us every Sunday evening at 8:35 p.m. Eastern Time, where Dr. Paul from Liberty Hill Comics, Phantom Phil from Phantom Restorations, and myself, Captain Larry from Flying Oak Comics. During our live show, we talk about interesting topics, market reports, and we have very interesting guests that come on, and you can ask any of us any question, and we will do our best to answer it. If you're interested in comic book conservation, please join us on Facebook at the Comic Book Conservation Community. Please share your work and ask any questions, and we will do our best to help you out. Well, this book has had quite the journey. When it was first acquired, it was a CGC 2.5 restoration, included a small amount of glue on spine of cover. Well, as we saw in the video, that was quite the understatement. This pre-war Wonderworld 9, the cover wrap was glued to the first wrap, and that assembly was split in half. And so inside the CGC case, it was just a mess. But I knew it was something that was in our wheelhouse and that could be fixed. So after dry scraping all the glue off, we had the pieces. So looking at them, this first wrap, it had a lot of material, unfortunately, that had to be removed that contained all the glue. So that material had to be replaced. So we ran it through the process of de-acidification, and from there it went and moved on over to the vacuum table, where this is where we apply the leaf casting pulp. So we leaf casted this wrap back together. We did the cover as well, but this is a manual labor thing. So we ran the vacuum table, we put the pulp through the syringe, and we filled it in. And I was really pleased with how it came out. The wrap was leaf casted from both sides, so we call that a double leaf cast. It leaves no real discernible evidence or marks that it was leaf cast. We're not trying to hide anything. In fact, we declare this in the CGC notes when we submit the book. But it came out great. And now here is our finished product. The book has been reassembled. It's been pressed. It's got a brand new spine on it. Everything went together really, really well. I'm really pleased with the look of this book. I mean, the cover's white, the corners and everything else came out just wonderful. We open the book up, we take a look at it, and you can see the new leaf casted first wrap, and the cover, it looks great. I mean, the staples look nice, everything, all the folds are where it should be. And I'm really happy overall with just how this thing came out. All the pages are supple. The colors look wonderful. I would say the pages are white to off-white. I mean, everything about this little project I was really happy with. I'm very proud of how it came out. I'm very curious what this is going to be graded at. It will be a conserved grade for certain. And whenever we do a book like this, we submit notes to CGC detailing leaf casting, any paper, Japanese paper that was used, wheat paste, methylcellulose, things like that. But overall, this book just came out phenomenal. I'm really, really happy. This is a rare book too. Normally, it's quite a valuable book. So we'll see how it comes out. The 2.5 restored, that's going to go away. We'll go ahead and I'll be happy with anything 3.5 and above, but I think it'll get better than that.